Factor through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Now it's time for the J&H Contracting Hobby Stocks time trial qualifications. First lap for hot lap qualifications. And the guy at the top of the board in the 145, it's Braden Noble with a 16.402. 16.402. Checker flag is out, and Noble will remain at the top of the board with a 16.402. Second is David Marler with a 16.465. 16.465. Gary Anderson in third with a 16.826. 16.826. And Ben Petrie rounding out your top four with a 16.996. 16.996. Next car to roll on the track in the number 8, it's Jason Jones. Behind him in the number 34, it's Steve Cox. Behind him in the 92 is Jeremiah Cox. And your final car upon the track in the 46, it's Jacob Cox. White flag lays. Right now, it's still Braden Noble at the top of the charts. Can anyone get close to Braden Noble's 16.402? So far, no can do. Got one around in turns number 1 and 2. One around in turn number 1 and 2. Checker flag is out. In the number 5, it's Evan Baker. Behind him in the 62, it's Marty Gilly. And the 5E, it's Bryce Elkins. Your final 3 cars in J&H Contracting Hobby Stock Hot Lap qualification. Reno Steakhouse front wheel drive mini stocks. Reno Steakhouse front wheel drive mini stocks. You are needed to staging. You are next. Todd Steel Buildings Metal. Todd Steel Buildings Crown Vics. Todd Metals Crown Vics. You guys be on standby. Checker flag waves on the final group. Elkins jumps up to 6th with a 17.529. 17.529. Baker better with 18.805. 18.805. So our top 3 would be like this. In the 05, it's Gary Anderson. In the 57, it's David Marler. And tonight's quick time with a 16.403. In the J&H Contracting Hobby Stocks, the number 145, last night's feature winner at the Ponderosa Speedway, Braden Noble. Checker flag waves on group number 1. For the Reno Steakhouse front-wheel drive mini stocks, and the time to beat is a 17.016. 17.016 for the K7 of Austin Kawasaki. Second in the 33 is Eric Bryant. Third in the 9L is Austin Leach. And fourth is Jonathan Upchurch. Group number 2 coming out for Reno Steakhouse front-wheel drive mini stocks. Todd Steel Buildings, Crown Vics, you are needed in staging. Todd Buildings, Crown Vics, you are needed in staging. Group number 2, the number 78 of Jim Rowland. The number 78 of Jim Rowland goes to the top of the board with a 16.886. 16.886. Crown Vics, you need to be getting ready for staging. American All-Star Pro Late Models. American All-Star Pro Late Models. You will be up after the Crown Vics. The Save-A-Lot American All-Star Late Models. Be making your final preparations. Right after the Crown Vics, we are going into the invocation, and then you guys heat races 1 and 2. We need you in staging. The Pro Late Models heat races 1 and 2. We need you to start making your way to staging. This is your 5-minute call. Here we go. Group number 1 for the Todd Metals Crown Vics. This will set tonight's heat races. American All-Star. Save-A-Lot American All-Stars presented by PPM. We need you guys to be making your way to staging. Save-A-Lot American All-Stars. We need you guys to be making your way to staging. Heat races 1 and 2. Cumberland Plateau Open Wheel Modified. Cumberland Plateau Open Wheel Modified. You will follow the Pro Late Models. Checker flag waves on group number 1. And quick time, we'll start off with the number 94 with a 17.778 of Brian Whelan. Second is the number 49 of Joey Stringer. And third is the always lovely Missing Data. And then we'll run fourth in the number 28 of Matthew Norman. Next car to roll onto the racetrack out of Fairdale, Kentucky. In the number 93, it's Pinball Alan Douglas. Green is out on group number 2 for the Todd Metals Crown Vics. And just like that, we got a new guy at the top of the board with a 17.301. 17.301. It's Pinball Alan Douglas. Checker flag waves on group number 2. Now the checker flag waves on group number 2. And still at the top of the board, out of Fairdale, Kentucky with a 17.301. Pinball Alan Douglas. Green flag is out. And the next car on the front stretch, the young man out of Brandenburg, Kentucky, in the number 24S, it's Braden Shelton. Behind him in the 2C, it's Cameron Norman. And behind Norman in the 118, it's Terry Delk. Shelton goes 6 quick with an 18.319. 18.319. Norman goes 9 quick with a 19.542. 19.542. Delk goes 7th quick with a 14.835. 14.835. Checker flag waves, and that will do it for time trial qualifications for the Todd Metals Crown Vics. Now your top 3. In third, in the 49, it's Joey Stinger. In second, it's the 94 of Brian Wellen. And your quick time with a 17.302. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a hand. Out of Fairdale, Kentucky, it's Pinball Alan Douglas.